Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. Today I'm going to present you all a presentation on the topic of the correlation of cleaning operational management, service quality and customer relationship management or customer satisfaction, a case study of cleaning service industry in Malaysia. As an introduction, the cleaning industry is a sector in rapid and constant evolution. So the main issue of cleaning industry are the improvement of the sector's image, the professionalism of the industry, and the creation of career perspective for employees in the sector, and also the development of skilled worker, and lastly for the safety and health at work environment. Okay. The cleaning industry is continuously moving toward a more global and integrated service delivery. It represents in economic and social terms one of the most dynamic areas of corporate service. Okay. Cleaning service companies are increasingly forced to adapt to clients' changing needs in the face of economic difficulties. The industry needs to respond to fundamental requirements of the society such as cleanliness, hygiene, particularly in the hospital, and protection of the environment. This is increasingly pushing cleaning companies to offer their client facilities management and support service rather than a simple cleaning service, especially for the SMEs cleaning companies. This trend results in an increased pressure to offer a more specialized cleaning service next to office cleaning. So the first thing is on the cleaning operational management. So in every production or formation of service, there must be an existence of its own operational procedure to ensure the production or service operation run as it is supposed to. So the same goes to cleaning service and that operational process called a cleaning operational management, COM. Okay, cleaning operational management, COM. COM covers three main aspects of cleaning management, and those are cleaning operational procedure, workforce, and lastly, cleaning equipment. These three aspects are the main substance required in operating cleaning service. In general terms, cleaning is a systematic process of putting unwanted matter in its proper place so to achieve a clean condition. It is the basic form of environmental management, whereas it ensures that the environmental condition is free from unwanted matters that may have the possibility to cause hazard to human beings. It is a fundamental process employed to keep the living and non-living substance surrounded the acceptable risk level as to protect the health and enhancement activity. On the service quality, okay, SERVQUAL, which can be defined as a measure of how well the service delivered match customers' expectation. So this we have the Rater model explains as follows. First, on the reliability, refers to the ability to perform the service accurately and dependably. Second, assurance relate to knowledge and accuracy of employee and the ability to convey trust and confidence to the customer. Third, tangible, refer to the appearance of physical facilities, equipment, personnel, and communication material. Empathy refer to dealing with customer in a caring and individualized manner. And then responsive is the willingness to help customer and provide prompt service. Okay. On customer relationship management, CRM, is the process of building and maintaining profitable relations with customer by providing product or service that are available to customer and create satisfied customer. So CRM is a way company build relationship with customers, okay, with the aim of maintaining customers' loyalty and commitment to continue to use the company's product and service is concerned. In addition, companies today must do a direct communication. So this is necessary considering the increased complexity of need, desire, and the standard of quality that consumer want the product required. Okay. On customer satisfaction is a conscious evaluation or collective assessment as to whether the performance of the product or service is relatively good or bad, or whether the product or service are appropriate or not for their intended purpose. So satisfaction or dissatisfaction of customer is customer response to the discrepancy or disconformation perceived with the previous expectation. So basically the purpose of user is to create satisfied customer. customer satisfaction is a function of expectation of the buyer of the product or service to the perceived performance. The conceptual framework. So we have three independent variables, I mean cleaning operational management, service quality, and customer relationship management toward customer satisfaction. So the hypothesis here is that there is a significant relationship between cleaning operational management with customer satisfaction. There is a significant relationship between service quality and customer satisfaction, and significant relationship between customer relationship management with customer satisfaction. Okay. This is the result of the regression coefficient. As for the table 4.6, Sequel has the highest standardized coefficient beta with 0.747, and that shows Sequel has the biggest impact toward customer satisfaction. COM has the second highest standardized coefficient beta with 0.09, then followed by CRM with 0.009. With all the positive beta, it can be said that the theoretical framework used to carry out these research is relevant. So as a conclusion, although the cleaning service provider has been equipped with good cleaning operational management and service quality, there is still a gap if there is no customer relationship management involved in it. Good customer relationship management will retain the customer and it acts as a tool for the cleaning service provider to provide service and improve their service to meet customers' needs and wants. On the recommendation, today's cleaning management service require more than just an accumulation of simple cleaning work. They require professional knowledge and management skill. A trend in consumption, government policy, and cost all pointed toward even more green industry business opportunities in the years ahead. Another way to improve cleaning service industry, it requires a complex cleaning operational management system that can help the cleaning service provider to perform efficiently. The implementation of a systematic procedure may improve the cleaning service provider and the whole industry in the long term. Okay, with that, thank you very much.